Hey everybody, welcome back to my Python 3 for Beginners tutorial series. In the last video we went over getting user input for strings, and in this video we're going to go over getting user input for integers. It's a little bit different, but a lot of it's the same. So the first thing we can do is, let's say we wanted to do a very simple addition calculator with two numbers. The first thing I could do is enter number 1. And then I can put num1 equals input. Now that's the same pretty much up until the same thing we did with strings, but there is one thing we must do now. Now we must tell it that num1 equals, and then we got to put int num1. And what we're doing here is we are assigning num1, telling it it's the exact same value, but now it's an integer. Because when you input it, it automatically made it a string and we had to convert it. So then if I put enter number 2, and then I put num2 equals input, and then I'm going to do the exact same thing and assign this as an integer, put num2, and then I can put print. Let's do another variable here quick and put answer equals num1 plus num2, and then I can put the two numbers added together equal, and then I can put plus answer. So when I run this, it's going to ask for number 1, so I enter number 1. If I put 5 and then enter number 2, I'll put 5 again. And what error did I get? Must be string not int. I put plus when I needed to put a comma there. So let's run it again. Make sure you click, if it's not working when you try to input, make sure you click down here in the console, and that should fix it. 5, 5, and now it says the two numbers added together equal 10. But let me show you one caveat to that. If I take this away and this away, and I do the exact same thing, now you're going to see it says 55, even though 5 plus 5 is 10. The reason it did that is because it automatically assigned them as strings, and if I add two strings together, it's just going to be what I originally put in. So it's not actually going to add them like numbers, it's just going to add them to each other as if I was building a sentence. So it's very important that you have these lines that we took away, the num1 equals int num1 and the num2 equals int num2. Those are very important to have if you're going to be using them as integers. And of course, these can be named anything, but whatever this is, this has to be, whatever this is, these two have to be. So it's very important, just like how we did the str before, it's very important that we have these assigned as integers. Alrighty, so I appreciate you watching this video. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications for when I upload new videos, and I'll see you in the next one.